Keep your hands to yourself. This is a set of savage gadgets that can be your saving grace in a pinch, or your downfall if you're not careful. Has he just smashed a coconut like it was nothing? Yup. Night Watchman Thumper is the ultimate law enforcement tool that packs a powerful punch. It's built to last and can withstand even the toughest of situations. The deterrent spikes on the end provide an added layer of protection, ensuring that any potential threat is kept at bay. With its rigid handle, you'll have a non-slip grip, and the paracord lanyard ensures that you stay in control when you need it most. Plus, the glass breaker on the pommel and weighty heft make it the perfect tool to break through any obstacle. Here's another tool from the same manufacturer. In addition to the spikes on the front, the 22-inch hammer has a penetrating tomahawk-style back. Now you can face the toughest situations with confidence. Looks like double trouble. It's a double-bladed knife. With a blade length of 3.5 inches and a closed length of 5 inches, this tool is perfect to carry with you wherever you go. A liner lock prevents accidental openings and cuts, and the quick open function allows you to open it with just one hand. Plus, with its pocket clip and groove design, it's easy and safe to carry. Nah, that's still just a knife. Wow, is that a replica of the vampire full tang arm blade sword used in the video games Blood Rayne and Blood Rayne 2? Right you are. The sword features a single solid piece of hard anodized black stainless steel that stretches an impressive 17 inches long. The handle's even more impressive with an ergonomic grip and high-tech strap that wraps around your forearm. Simply close the strap on your arm, grab the handle, and you're ready to go. Do we have any Chronicles of Riddick fans in here? Get ready to channel your inner Riddick with these Saber Claws replicas. Made from durable stainless steel, these claws have an overall length of 12 inches with an 8-inch blade. The sharp point is perfect for scaring off the enemies, while the unsharpened edge ensures safety. This gun looks like it was taken from the Night City, but this is actually a tactical crossbow. The Steambow AR-6 Stinger 2 represents one of the easiest and best ways to quickly and accurately shoot up to 6 arrows before reloading. It's very light and easy to carry and operate even with one hand, and it utilizes upgraded technology including improved engineering for the limbs and a redesigned base. It's perfect for both target practice and small game hunting with a maximum velocity of 220 feet per second and power up to 15.2 foot-pounds of energy. The Stinger 2 features a length-adjustable stock with a stable and comfort hold and a fiber-optic front sight for precise aiming. Plus, it has a unique magazine for quick follow-up shots. Oh, you need something to make your coworker work faster? This mini bow can shoot within a 50-foot range. Just don't aim it at your colleagues. The arrows are really sharp. Stop the presses! The CA09 Coil Accelerator is here and it's making waves in the world of electric-powered weaponry. This bad boy uses some crazy cool electromagnetic coils to launch nickel-plated iron discs at lightning-fast speeds. With 3 velocity modes and a max rate of fire of 2,400 rounds per minute, you'll be unstoppable on the battlefield. And get this, it's nearly silent, smokeless, and has 0 muzzle flash. Plus, it's super lightweight and easy to tote around in your backpack. Oh, and did I mention it can fire about 700 times on a single charge? Don't be caught off guard. Well, all the tools I've already shown you are meant to defend you from physical threats. But what about virtual ones? When you use public Wi-Fi, your important data like passwords and credit card information can be stolen. That's why I recommend using CyberGhost VPN. It encrypts your data and creates a secure tunnel that no one can access. Even your internet provider won't be able to see what you're doing online, so they won't sell your data to third parties or throttle your traffic if you're going over the limit. With CyberGhost, you can browse the internet from over 90 countries without being physically in those countries and easily access geo-restricted catalogs of streaming services like Netflix and find better deals online. For my subscribers, I have a special discount, so click the link in the description to get CyberGhost for the lowest price. Looking for a cool retro weapon to add to your collection? Check out the new Blowguns from Black Rhino Blowguns. These cuties have the largest size you can buy and are made in the USA with high precision to make sure your shots are on point. The Blowguns also come with a fluorescent sight for shooting in bright light and 2 different quivers for different dart types. They're perfect for hunting small game or practicing your aim, and they come with 40 darts so you'll be ready to go right out of the box. Looking for a way to take down your opponents from a distance? Look no further than the Shuriken throwing stars. All of them are made from tough, corrosion-resistant stainless steel and features impeccable balance, sleek aerodynamics, and razor-sharp blades. As you see, each star is capable of inflicting serious damage, making them essential gear for any covert warrior or modern-day ninja. Whether you're using them for backyard target practice or intense covert operations, These throwing stars are built to last and designed to impress. What? Is there a zombie apocalypse on the list? I found a self-defense tool for you. A huge and shiny knuckle duster combined with a built-in dagger. An 8.5-inch blade isn't that deadly, but it can cause serious injury. Same goes for those spikes on knuckle duster. Here are some other similar models. They feature the smooth automatic mechanism that pops the blade out immediately when you push the button and hides just as quickly. The thick brass knuckles in all models look no less impressive. With those large finger holes, all of them will be comfortable to hold even for a Colossus. Some of the models are also decorated with these stylish inlays, either from carbon fiber or onyx. In addition, there's an integrated glass breaker right on the handle, and most importantly, there's that spooky skull that perfectly matches the whole look. Well, some people get their nails done, and some just put on their actual claws. These stainless steel rings will make any outfit look like real armor, especially this eerie version with a built-in blade. Despite the tough look, the rings are still fairly comfortable to wear. You're free to bend your fingers as if you're wearing a regular glove. Here's another great device to keep your girlfriend safe. It's a knife she can wear like an ordinary ring. In case you buy a dozen of these tools, she might look like a Catwoman. You need something for yourself? This ring features a razor-sharp blade you can use to open parcels, or to alert potential attackers, you're able to stand up for yourself. This is the sort of thing every man dreamed of as a boy. Well, it's never too late. This slingshot gives you the power you've never had with the DIY ones. It's incredibly sturdy thanks to the high-quality materials. The ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. As you can see, the slingshot is super easy to assemble. The package also includes 2 durable rubber bands and balls for shooting games. You'll get astonishing fire accuracy. Aside from the balls, you can also shoot with arrows. Definitely a must-have for young fathers. Is that a lightsaber? Well, yeah, sort of. What they both have in common is the deadly laser that smashes everything in its way. Some countries consider it a prohibited weapon, which is why it's illegal to own. So yeah, this 60-milliwatt laser pointer fires up everything in its way. Matches, paper, and even your phone with its enormous 66-foot range. Should I say this isn't a toy to play with? This Tomahawk Skull Claw Gauntlet will make you look like a Wolverine. This bad boy not only provides a solid grip, but also sends your enemies running in terror. Made with 3 razor-sharp 11-inch curved blades crafted from solid stainless steel, the gauntlet features piercing points that strike fear into the hearts of your opponents. The blades extend from a cast metal skeleton hand that wraps around your wrist, while a faux leather strap with a Velcro closure ensures a secure fit. Okay, this thing will make you an invincible long shot when playing darts. To say simpler, this is a gun that launches darts within a 20-foot range. To fire each dart, or a blade, remove the top safety cover and pull down the protective collar. Press each button to unleash the ballistic stainless dart above it. Well, it seems obvious, but I feel like I need to say that this is not a toy, so be careful using this thing. Wear the power of Batman on your fingers with this sleek and sturdy bat ring. Crafted from solid steel, it's built to last, weighing just 8 ounces. You'll feel the weight of justice on your hand. Measuring at 5 inches in width and 3 inches in length, it's the perfect size for any superhero. And in case it's not enough for you, you can try this set of knuckle dusters you can discreetly wear on your back. There are billions of pocket knives, but how to pick a worthy one? This one looks pretty sophisticated, but that's not the only pro. Yet I must admit the locking mechanism looks stunning. You can deploy the blade with a push of a thumb. Bang! And you've got a razor-sharp claw in your hand. So cool. And so handy in emergencies. Just in case, there's also a glass breaker. The ergonomic handle makes the knife an extension of your hand. When folded, it's safe, so you can fix the tool with a clip in your pocket.